What's up, you guys? I'm back. I know y'all always saying, man, this dude keep disappearing and coming back, disappearing, but hopefully that this time I'm going to stay consistent. Y'all pray for me that I stay consistent. I know in the past I always said every Monday. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Just stay tuned. All I'm gonna say is stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That's the only way you're going to know. I'm trying to be consistent. I'm not going to tell you every week. It may be every other week. But I'm going to try at least once a month. But my goal is to have more than, of course, once a month. A lot of stuff has dropped. A lot of albums, gospel songs, gospel EPs. A lot of things has dropped this past year. So it's a lot of music out there, a lot of things you guys already requested. I'm gonna have to go back and see what I missed. But this is a song that's been out, but I just been hearing a lot of people been singing about it, a lot of buzz been behind it lately. A lot of people been doing some covers on it, so I know I'm real late with this. You guys probably have already heard it at your church called Waymaker. And a lot of people has covered it. And I don't want to mess this young lady name up, but it's Sinach. I'm not even going to attempt to mess her name up, but this is a real simple but powerful song if you listen to the words. I'm not going to talk so long. Y'all know how I do. I'm going to get straight into it. This song is in the key of C major. All right, I have to work out the kinks. It's in the key of C major. All right, now it starts like this. Moving in our hearts, I worship you. I worship you. Not the best singer, just want to give you the chord. So, you are here, F major, F A C. All right. Moving in our hearts, C major, C, E, G. I worship you, a G major, a G, B, D. I worship you, A minor 7, C, E, G over A. So, you are here. And I do that sometimes. You can do single notes instead of going straight to F major. That's you are here. That's a C, F, A. C, so you are here, and then go to C major. But really, this is just an inverted C major. C, F, A, F, A, C. So you are here, moving in our hearts. C major. I worship you. G major. I worship you. C major. Worship you. Now, instead of going to G major, what I do is F, you are here, moving in our heart, C, I worship you. Instead of going to G, I just go from that C to the G, inverted. Instead of going G, B, D, I go B, D, G. That way you can go from the C down to the G. You ain't got to move all the way down here. It's up to you. I always do it inverted because it's so close. C, G, C, F. Instead of going C, G, C, F. It just depends. That's just how I do it. Just wanted to share that with you. And that's it. That's the bridge. That's the chorus. That's the everything. So that's one. I love these songs. They're so simple. For you beginners, and you can really focus on the words. You can focus on doing other things. It's a real simple song. I hope this blesses you guys. Like I said before, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be up to date, because sometimes on Facebook, if you don't hit the notification bell, you don't receive all of my videos coming through your notifications unless you're just checking my page on a regular. But I know you guys are busy and you may not check my page on a regular. Even if you do, please hit the notification bell. Continue to put your comments and songs requests in the comments below. I thank you guys for the new subscribers. I had a wave of new subscribers. I appreciate that. I thank you for the OG subscribers who've been holding me down, keeping me, correcting me, giving me insights, letting me know what I need to do, and just continue to give me feedback on the songs and the songs that you guys want. Please bear with me. I'm going to go back and see what all the comments that I've missed as far as songs requests. I thank you for the encouragement. It really encouraged me. Thank you guys for just supporting me and keeping me in your prayers. Praying that I continue to do this because I feel like I'm helping somebody. So I pray for you. I'm gonna start praying. Not just on here, 'cause, sometimes we pray on here, but I'm going to start praying as well on my own personal time for you guys, because I know sometimes you get depressed or sometimes you just feel like, well, I don't think I'm doing enough in my ministry, or I don't think I'm learning fast enough or what I need to know. Sometimes we do get sidetracked, or we get a little we get stagnant, but that's when we need each other to pick us up, lift us up. And for us to find new music, find new styles of music, maybe to pep us up, to continue to spread the gospel through the music, And I just pray you guys have a great week, have a great day. Be blessed. Bear with me. Try my best to stay consistent and steady. Y'all help me. Y'all continue to keep me in your prayers. And I have some new things coming up as far as merch. I've been working on this clothing brand. Not like cut and sew or anything. Just something just for us, musicians. Something. I be want to wear my own t-shirts as far as designs, represent, musicians. So y'all stay tuned for the merch. I know some of y'all want to, y'all like to represent who you are as far as what you do, your musical gifts through your clothing. So I've been working on some things while I've been absent. So y'all bear with me. Y'all have a blessed week and a blessed day.